Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. It's Sad Bitch, aka Les. This is my little eyeliner tutorial for you guys. I know y'all been asking me for this for like 2 years now, since I don't know, 2016, 14. Listen, I failed math, but you know what? It's alright. And you know what else? It's not talking about my edges. This is a big disclaimer. Don't be saying nothing about my edges because y'all know my makeup was not done. But anyway, this is how I do my liner. I didn't really want to talk through it because it's kind of self-explanatory. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly, make a cute short video for y'all. Thank you so much for all of your support. I know I've been a shitty YouTube guru, but I promise y'all I'm gonna get on my shit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm so sorry about my edges. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? But anyway, we're not talking about that. So thank you. Next. Nah, I'm kidding. But I hope you guys like this video. Alright, bye. Love you guys.